1956 original golden glow yellow Thunderbird with documentation. The rarest color of all 1956 Thunderbirds. Professional restoration with limited miles. 3 tops consist of a black canvas replacement convertible top, a black tonneau top, and a golden glow yellow porthole top. The golden glow yellow is the rarest color of all 1956s. Original documentation for her is definitely will increase her investment value. Reports show only 0.1% of all 1956 Thunderbirds came in golden glow yellow. It was only built for 3 months at the very end of production. This golden glow yellow 1956's build date was July the 26th of 1956. She has the 312 225 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8, the Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, the Ford's Masterguide power steering. She's got the Thunderbird AM-FM with dual stereo speakers, allowing her to play your favorite music from your iPhone. She's got the 5 best quality real Thunderbird wire wheels. Her odometer is 57,861 miles. She has the correct late production Burtex trunk mat, Ford engine dress-up option, the Concourse correct black and white interior installed in Mentor's Thunderbird restoration facility, Ford optional seat belts, definitely investment quality, and very rare with documentation. 1956 golden glow yellow with documentation provided.